National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Polk County in northwestern Wisconsin, northeastern St. Croix County until 4 p.m. At 3:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles north of Hammond or 15 miles northeast of River Falls, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include New Richmond, Roberts, Clear Lake, Star Prairie, Forest, Ceylon, Deer Park, New Richmond Airport, Huntington, Holton, and Boardman. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Polk and St. Croix.